Okay, so we're bored and we're going to make another response video, and this time we're watching what? We're watching One Guy, One Screwdriver. This is our first time seeing it, so these reactions are real, to say the least. And we're about to play the video. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, you ready? Stop. Look at the video. I'm scared. Oh my. Go. Wait, stop. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't. Have you seen this already?
It's your own blood.
Oh my god. Oh my god, why would you do that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, no. I don't like him. How much longer is this? How much longer is this? I can't. No, seriously, like, I can't handle it.
Oh my gosh.
What is that? She got a camel toe on her. Like, my body is feeling really weird right now.
My stomach hurts.
Why is there blood everywhere? Okay. That hurt. That was disturbing. Like, anybody could sit there and just watch the video, just stare at it and watch it, and
Then you're weird as hell.
I deuces.